Hazrat Hisham bin Urwa reports that Hazrat Urwa said, the people would make the circuit in the nude in the age of ignorance except the Homs, and Homs are the Quraysh and their progeny. Homs would do others favor. A man would provide some other man with clothes, and he would make circuit wearing them, and a woman would provide another woman with clothes, and she would make circuit attired in them. And those to whom the Homs did not give clothes, they would make circuit in the nude, and the other people would return from Arafat, but Homs from Muzdalifah. My father has reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that this verse has been sent down for Homs. Then you must also return from the same place whence the people return back. Surah Baqarah, verse 199. Urwa said, they Homs would return from Muzdalifah, they were sent to Arafat. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1665.